I'm not about to lose this, guys. These things are like $16. Oh. I lost it, guys. What's going on, guys, and good morning. Today we're at a cool little location. You guys probably seen it on my videos. I don't want to be too loud, guys, but let's just hope we don't get kicked out today. There is some big fish in here, and I've been wanting to try like underneath all those boat docks and stuff. But anyways, guys, let's get today started. Hopefully we can get on some fish. I'm gonna be doing top water, and after that we'll switch. So let's get it. Those are the fish that just jumped into. Alright, guys, there's a fish that just hit right here. We just got hit, guys. Gosh, we just got hit. He missed it. No, damn it. We just got hit. Right there. We missed it. We just got hit right here, guys. Hopefully we can catch it. I don't know where he went. Oh, we got one. We got one, guys. Yes. Get up here on this boat. Check this out, guys. We got our first fish. Get him off this. He's gonna bring my net. Oh, my rod. Let me put this rod right here. Woo! Check this out, guys. Not a nice. Hopefully you guys can see him. Yes. Our first fish here. Not a bad one. Let's get this guy back in. Yes. Thanks for biting, dude. We knew you were there. That was a cool little blow up, guys. We knew he was there. I totally forgot to bring my net. I was in such a hurry. I just wanted to get out here before people would see me or say something. Alright, I gotta spit. So, if I can spin this way. Alright, guys, this fish is a little dock today. Alright, guys, let's fish this little area right here. Probably fish right here. And we got him. We got one. Yes. Guys, we got another one. Get up here. No, chill. I don't want to get a hook on me. Yes, guys. We got another one. Ooh. We just got another one, guys. Nice, guys. Today's gonna be a good day. Let's get this guy back in the water. Whoa! Been like 5 minutes, guys. These fish are on it today. Shoo. Oh, we got another one, guys. Yes. Come on, bro. Get up here on this boat. Check this out, guys. Chill, 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 chill. Oh, whoa. Gosh, dude, these freaking fish. Guys, I definitely should bring in my net next time. Oh, man. You're not going anywhere, dude. You're hecka stuck. Come on. Alright, you're gonna chill. You're gonna chill out. You're gonna chill. This guy freaking. Shoot. Just trying to get you out of here, dude. Just trying to get you out. I feel like he's gonna freaking keep moving. These hooks up. There's one. These freaking hooks are super sharp. Alright, watch out, dude. I'm gonna try to get you free. I can't even get this freaking hook out of him. There he goes. There he goes. Alright, let me get my pole on. Anyways, check this out. We got the hook out of him. Third fish of the day, guys. Whew! Not a bad fish. I'll take him, guys. Yes, let's let this guy go. Alright, let's get back up and let's do it again. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm about to crash into them. I'm just passing by, dude. All these ducks get mad all the time, like Emerald's in my pond. Emerald's fishing my fish. He catching all the fish. Get out of here, Emerald. Go to a different spot. You know what? It's my spot. Just kidding, guys. But anyways. I'm just drifting. Guys, did you guys see that? Oh no! Let's see if we can catch him again. I'm all like sideways and stuff. Come on. He went after it like freaking 4 times. Gosh, no. Alright, let's see if we can catch this guy. Alright, time to move. He's going. It was a nice fish, guys, but let's move. Oh no, guys. He freaking missed it. Oh, what the heck? What in the world? What in the world? Oh, we got back up, guys. There's a fish right here. Probably underneath me. And he freaking missed it. Well, I'm just trying to get the freaking. Alright, let's back up. Let's back up. Bag it up. Hopefully he doesn't leave. Bag it up. Bag it up. Bag it up. Bag it up. Gotta back it up. Don't leave no fish. Don't leave. Don't leave without being on camera. Alright guys, let's see if we catch him. Somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. Come on. We got one. We got another one, guys. Get up here. Get up here. Oh, hopefully we don't lose him. Come on. There's a little guy. Yeah. Get up on the boat. Get up here on this boat. Little fish. Little fish. Come on, dude. Alright, go. Freaking. Oh, these freaking hooks are super sharp, but there we go. Another fish, guys. Little guy. Probably the smallest one we caught. Hey. I'll take him. We're about to hit this boat. Let's see if there's anything right underneath it. Alright, let's get out of here before we run into this boat. We got one, guys. We got a good one. I think it's a good one. Probably a little guy. But... Oh no, he got away. Oh gosh. I barely hooked him too. No, he got away. Dang it. Guys, next time I'm really bringing my net. And we got one, guys. Come on. Get up here. I just changed the color and right away. Get up here. No think. Hey. Chill, chill, chill. Chill. I gotta go. These guys are freaking. Don't start flipping, dude. Don't start flipping. Gotta get some slack. Get some slack. Alright, let's get this guy out. Off the hook. Got all these freaking dogs barking. I know, dude. You'll see them on. See my video later, dude. Don't worry. Check it out, guys. Another little bass here. Let's let this guy go. Look at this guy's cleaning his house. It's a beautiful house he has. Wish I lived. I'd be fishing every day, probably. Got a beautiful house, by the way. Got a nice house. Huh? Yeah, a couple of bass. Yeah. Guys, I thought I had the GoPro on. Guess I didn't. Anyways, we got this guy. Check this out, guys. Another cool little bass. Yeah. Let's let this guy go. Woo. Thought I had the GoPro on, but I guess I didn't. Good thing I made sure. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Let's get these hooks out of here, dude. Okay, just roll. Oh. Let's check it out, guys. Woo. Yes. These fish are on top water. Let's go. Not bad, not bad. We got a couple of fish. More than what I expected, but hey, we're on them today. Oh no, another little dog. Don't go after the bait, dude. Don't go after the bait. Snapped off, man. My lure got stuck on this bush. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, there it is. There's one freaking lure. Where's my lure? Oh, yep. Got it back, guys. I'm not about to lose this, guys. These things are like $16. Oh. Alright, guys, I got it back on. This is probably gonna be the last spot that we hit, so hopefully there's a fish somewhere around here. I lost it, guys. I really lost it now. It's up on that tree. No, we lost the lure. It's up on that tree, guys. I am not getting it out. Gosh. This sucks. Guys, talk about not trying to lose my lure over there in that bush. And I got stuck over there on that tree. Freaking lure, man. Anyways, this is the last lure. I found it in here. Let's make our way back, guys. Dang. A little bummed out, but hey, we'll get another one. We'll get a better one. I didn't even like that lure. Sorry.
What's the matter?
Oh, I lost my fishing lure on your tree. It's a little white one, so like a little fish. I don't know where it's at. I lost it. It's like $20 for a little fish. So I was like I was like, no, I don't want to lose it. I don't know exactly where it's at. I just know it went in there, but I threw it too hard. Oh well. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, I threw it a little too hard and it went up too high and it just snapped off. I don't even know where it went. Yeah, I was trying to look for it too, but no. If it landed in the water, it would be floating. But yeah, oh well, it's fine. I don't even see it. So.
Oh wait a minute, I see something.
A little white and blue one.
Yeah, I can cut it down.
There it goes. Almost. It floats, so if it falls, it's fine. Oh, there he goes. Really, we can cut that branch off.
Oh, we just cut it.
Yeah. There he goes. Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. You just made my day. I was so bummed out.
$20 for that?
Yeah, $20. These things are around $20. This little thing.
I use worms.
Oh, do you? Yeah, I've been. These things go on the top of the water. They make a little noise, like.
Really?
Yeah, it catches the fish's attention. Only certain fish, though. Anyways, thank you.
You're welcome. You don't live on the lake.
No, I'm not, I live on the other side. Yeah. But I always see it, and I fished the bank over there.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm like, oh gosh, I want to get in there. There's, yeah, I didn't know anybody around here, so yeah, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much, though. Have a good day. How cool is that, guys? We got it back. I am not fishing with that around trees anymore. Anyways, let's make our way back. It's already late. I'll still throw the chatterbait around. A little bit more that way, though. Or let's hit this side up with the chatterbait since it's already. Got it right in that little drain thing right there. Oh, guys, I thought I had something. No way. No way. Oh, I thought I had something. No. Let's see if I can. What the heck? There's something here. Two times. I think we got him. No, there's some. Yeah, we got him, guys. We got one. I knew there was something there. Yes. Yes. Check it out, guys. And the chatterbait. About to lose my rod. Little guy. Chill, chill. I'm trying to get chatterbaits. Guys, on the freaking chatterbait. Let's go right underneath that dock. I knew there was something there. God. Alright, let's get back. Let's go back. I'm going to a little bit more fish in here. Yes. Alright, guys, let's see if we can get another. I know I felt like a couple of bites in here. Alright. We got one right under that boat, guys. What? Come on, dude. He's swimming towards me. Get up here. Get up here on this boat. Whew. Dude, come on, no, dude, chill. Chill. Yes. Look at this. He freaking chinked it. Woo. Another freaking nice fish. Let's go, guys. We're on them today. What? Yeah. On the way back to the car, we got another nice one. Yes. What's up, dude? I'm about to crash. Right underneath that boat. We're almost done. Yes. Right here, guys, I got him right here underneath this boat. Anyways, let's keep on catching them.
Good size ones out
here. Yeah.
Nothing but little ones.
Yeah, I've been catching like 2-pounders, 2.5 pounders. Yeah.
We used to have 2 bass masters.
Yeah.
Lived on the lake, and they used to bring bass home and put them in the lake.
What? That's freaking awesome. Yeah, it's my first time on the kayak here, so I was like, I'm gonna get up early and see if I can catch anything. But it was a good day. It wasn't bad, you know. A couple of fish. Anyways, I'm gonna head out, so you have a good one.
Awful lot of those
cormorants around. That's
Yeah.
they eat the fish.
Yeah. I'll see you around. Back it up. Alright. 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 Whew. Alright guys. Get the kayak up here. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. Hopefully you guys liked the video, guys. We managed to catch a lot of fish, quite more than what I expected on top water anyway, guys. But hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that like button, guys. Subscribe if you guys haven't. See you guys all next time. Peace.